If you want your hair, eyebrows, nails and eyelashes to grow like crazy and thick, use this oil. A problem faced by many women around the world is related to their hair or eyebrows. Some have brittle hair, very weak, damaged, dry, with dandruff or suffer their fall. If that is your case, you will be glad to know that there is a simple way to fight them all at once. This can be achieved with castor oil or castor oil. Many years ago, when there were not all the beauty cosmetics that we have today, this oil was used. Its purpose could vary, depending on the need to be presented. Since it is rich in omega-9 and fatty acids, it improves the health of hair and follicles. On the other hand, castor oil is rich in ricinoleic. This substance is a potent antibacterial and antifungal. Both contribute to eliminate the fungi that prevent natural hair growth. So we can get great benefits by using it in our hair. Effects of castor oil for hair. Castor oil can give your hair a natural shine as if by magic. In addition, in the medium term you will notice the following benefits. It will reduce hair loss. Will eliminate dryness. You will feel the hair more silky and healthy. Reverse the effects caused by chemicals and dryers. Strengthen hair. It will remove the split ends. It will stimulate its natural growth. It will moisturize your hair. Form of use. If your desire is that your hair grow healthy and strong, castor oil can help you achieve it. All you have to do is apply it to the scalp. For them, you will need a brush for capillary purposes or even apply it with your fingers, giving gentle massages. Once the scalp is completely greased, you must apply it throughout the hair. You can do this by taking a few drops in your hand, if rubbing them all over your hair. Especially the tips must be well smeared, which are the ones that receive the most damage. Finally, you put on a plastic cap and sleep with the applied castor oil. The next day, you should try to wash your hair very well. This process should be repeated at least 3 times a week. By following this routine, you will notice how your hair looks stronger, silky and healthier. And as we said, this oil is ideal for the growth of nails, eyebrows and eyelashes. Why